Alright, so we're back in the barn. We're be working on another project. So, a couple weeks ago, I made a jean shelf rack, and this one's for my girlfriend. But I'm gonna make one for my mom, and then I'm gonna make another one and kind of see if I can't sell it. So, a 2x10, and then 2x10 that is 8 foot long. And I cut it in half and then use the one half for the top and then one half for the back, and then burn it with a torch. And Dad routed the edges, and then I sanded it, and then we stained it. So the one for Mom, she wants it in like a lighter stain, and then the other one I'm doing a dark stain like I did the first one. Alright, so all the boards are cut to 4 3/16, and now I'm going to sand them. I'm starting with 80 grit and then gonna work my way up. Alright, so I hit one side of each of these 4 boards with the 80 grit. I actually did both sides of the first one and all the edges. I need to flip these other boards over, and then I'll hit each side of them with the 80 grit, and then I'm going to move up to 120, and I think I have a 400 or maybe 200 grit, and I'll use it, and then I'll have Dad come out and run the router. So that's what the 80 grit is. It's a little smoother, but it's still got a rough texture. And then all these black marks, that heavier grit should take all of it off. And then these are actually, I think I misspoke, they're 4 foot 3/16, not 4 3/16. But that would, you can't really tell on camera, but that's 80 grit, and then that's nothing done to it yet. So I'm gonna hit these other 3 and then get back with you guys. Alright, so the 80 grit, I just finished up with it. Boards are looking pretty good. So now I'm moving on to the 120, and then the next one will be 220 is the other grit that I have, and I'll finish up with that, and then have Dad come and probably put them together, and then hit it with the router, and then burn it with the torch, which that's pretty cool. So I'll make sure I get some footage of that and then put that in the video. So I'm gonna hit this with the 120 and then the 220 and get back with you guys. So we finished sanding it down. I think we're gonna wait till tomorrow to put them together and route them, but everything should be ready to go for that. So we're done, and I'll make a part 2 on this project, and you guys can watch it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy the content, like and subscribe, and every little bit helps. So guys, have a good one.